You've got the vision, you've got the drive, and now it's time to make it official in the district. Navigating local government requirements can seem daunting, but it's actually a totally manageable process when you take it one step at a time. If you are looking to skip the red tape and save hours of valuable time, our done-for-you solution handles the entire process from start to finish. Here is a quick look at what our comprehensive training and execution package covers. Step 1. Corporate registration. We handle your initial filings through the CorpOnline portal with the DC Department of Licensing and Consumer Protection to secure your corporate registration. Step 2. Federal and local tax setup. We guide you through acquiring your free IRS employer identification number, setting up your SAM.gov registration for your unique entity ID and CAGE code, and completing your FR 500 new business registration with the DC Office of Tax and Revenue. Step 3. Clean Hands Certificate. We help you instantly generate your official certificate of clean hands through the MyTax portal to prove your good standing with the district. Step 4. Location permitting. Whether you need a commercial certificate of occupancy or an expedited home occupation permit for a home-based business, we manage the zoning filings for you. Step 5. Basic business license application. We bring it all together on the My DC Business Center portal to secure your official 2-year basic business license. Let our expert team manage the bureaucracy with 100% database accuracy so you can focus on what you do best, building your business.